welcomes each and every one of you. The magazine with class, where we truly look forward to beautifying the space that we stay, to beautifying the space that we looked forward to really spending lives with our loved ones. Give the entire credit to our very renowned architect and interior designers. And when it comes to the write-up, when it comes to the coverage, it's only the numero uno, Society, Interiors and Design, the magazine with class, which rules hearts. So we are here to take a look at the brilliant space ruling the world of residential, commercial, and ladies and gentlemen, to give that perfect space for families to have fun together and to relish, and at the same time for all the commercial premises to go ahead and improve our economic growth of our country. So ladies and gentlemen, फिलहाल रास को रास रखते हैं, whose project is on our cover page. I'm going to take a bit before we reveal the architects who join us here. But for now, without any further ado, please join me in welcoming our very own dynamic leader. He's very humble, always smiling. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please give it up for the founder of Magnet Publishing and welcome Ashok Damankar here for the grand unveiling taking place. Thank you so much, dapper as always. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please continue the applause as we're going to welcome the lady of substance. Let's give it up for Jayashree Damankar ji, please. The queen of society, interiors and design is the editor-in-chief, who truly makes it possible for all of us to shine bright, to shine on the cover page, which is a dream come true for every individual, because all that we look forward is to great recognition. And it's time for us to put our hands together as we welcome our editor-in-chief, Swati Bagi. Thank you very much, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please welcome our director, who's been on his toes throughout and is always very excited and thrilled. May we please welcome Sunil Dhamnekar ji. And now, the moment when we welcome our honorable chief guest, before we reveal who's on the cover page. Or sir, should we reveal the cover page first? What do you say? The architects ka last smash kare? Pehle? Or should we invite chief guests? Absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, a very popular name in the world of philanthropy from our ministry, जिन्होंने हमेशा यही सोचा है कि सेवा ही हमारा धर्म है, जो सिर्फ, हालांकि मैं तो सिर्फ कह रही हूँ, but वो actions में believe करते हैं और हमेशा he served the society at large. Ladies and gentlemen, with folded hands, may we please kindly welcome our honorable former member of parliament, respected honorable Shri Rahul Shepale sir. Sir, हम सबका भाग्य है और सौभाग्य है कि आज आप आए हैं और you've been here before time. So तहे दिल से आपके शुक्रगुजार हैं. Humble thanks to you, sir. You've always dedicated your life for the service of mankind. We are proud of you, sir. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the queen who has been in the world of glamour, but she rules elegance with her charm, with a smile, with a twinkle in her eyes, winning hearts for decades together. She's much better looking than her debut film, Phool Aur Kaante, and she is truly the beautiful girl, I'm not even saying lady, the girl in red. Ladies and gentlemen, the one who's given Jannat जैसे गाने हमारे Bollywood film industry को by featuring in them and truly looking like a forever diva. May we please welcome Miss Madhu. Madhu, you've been a trailblazer. The combination you're wearing is very international combination, and very few people can carry red and brown together. So this is very special. As you know that you rule wherever you go. I mean, we've seen you everywhere, and thank you so much. So now, friends, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to have the star cover project. Main directors and the main owners, architects, who've been ruling the world by creating that space, सबका दिल जीते हैं by giving them कि उन्हें किस तरह की space चाहिए, and at the same time फिलहाल हम धरती पर ही हैं, we have only one place, our planet Earth, and we only enjoy spaces. So at first, the space that we are in, we are completely in love with this place by restaurateur Neeti Goyal, who shall join us in the next few minutes. But we are completely in love with this place. So thank you for Kiba for always having this wondrous celebration. And now it's time for us, friends, ladies and gentlemen, जिस राज को हम अब फाश करने जा रहे हैं. Please join me as we are very eager to see the cover page. Wait, it's the time. To see the cover page and the grand unveiling taking place. Welcoming, ladies and gentlemen, the creative forces behind STAPL. Let's welcome architect Kavita, architect Soyuz Talib for their distinctive vision and through the great philosophy in design. They make sure they also look forward to sustainability, which is the need of the hour, and truly give us the perfectly luxurious, but also at the same time, along with luxury comes the match, the fusion of the East and the West. Ladies and gentlemen, are we all set for the grand unveiling taking place as we have the curtain raiser by our honorable chief guests, our former honorable member of parliament Rahul Shewali sir and Madhuji. I request you both to be on either side, and I request architect Kavita to be on one side and architect Soyuz Talib to be on one side, so that we are equal. So one second. Rahul sir. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, STAPL's legacy of silver jubilee in design, innovation and architectural exploration. The name itself says it all. Green space. We truly look forward to making this planet greener and better. I'm going to request our chief guests to kindly strike a pose along with Ashok Daman Kasa, Swati Balgi ma'am, and both our architects, Kavita ma'am, please, along with Soyuz Talib, both our architects to kindly join. A beautiful feeling indeed. I want to request a very renowned playback singer, Mujtaba, the voice himself. Come on, baby or Sajano. Please join us. Thank you so much, sir. So, are we ready for the countdown of 8? That's Madhu's favorite number. So, at 1, let's be ready. Everybody. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh la la la, ladies and gentlemen, the hard copy, the grand unveiling Society Interiors and Design by Magnet Publishing Private Limited, ladies and gentlemen, and this is the brilliant project, Greenscape. We are here to congratulate our brilliant architects for the fabulous work they've done, and to everyone who's featured in this magazine, and congratulations on the great project of STAPL. Now we have still a little surprise. Thank you for that cheer. Feel
आजा
My beautiful team and family of STAPL, don't worry, we're going to have lovely pictures of you, I promise. Yeah? We're going to have your moment too. And then, sorry Kavita ji and Soyuz ji, पता नहीं ये किसके पास जाएगा, but एक ही ऑफिस में जरूर रहेगा ये. But this is a lovely token of love and memento. One more time, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Everybody, for former honorable member of parliament with people from all walks of life who's always looked forward to Bharat Desh ki Tarakki or Viksit Bharat to 2047. Ladies and gentlemen, the phenomenal actress, the incredible work that she's given to our very own Bollywood Indian cinema, and Roja to hum sabke रूह को छू गए हैं performance, and it's only because of Madhu. So let's give her a lovely round of applause. The red shot, the lady, and now, maybe please थाम जाता है. ऐसे लगता है कि बस आज तो रूह को सुकून मिल रहा है. Thank you. We please present. Wonderful. Legacy of 25 years, congratulations on 2.5 decades of your commitment, perseverance.
अशोक जी का धन्यवाद मानता हूँ मुझे यहाँ पे इन्वाइट किया एंड इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन इन रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री में बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं. बेयर शेल जो स्ट्रक्चर है उसको पूरा डिज़ाइन डिज़ायरेबल, हाई लेवल और इमोशनल उसको ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. और ओवरऑल जो इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन जो सेक्टर है वो रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री में एक सेल्स पर्सन जैसे रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि जो कॉस्ट है प्रॉपर्टी की वो 5 to 15% उसकी कॉस्ट बढ़ रही है बिकॉज ऑफ इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन की वजह से. तो मुंबई के लिए एंड स्पेशल नवी मुंबई एंड मुंबई हम लोग डिक्लेयर कर रहे हैं. तो इन फ्यूचर रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री में इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन का बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले किया जाएगा. थैंक यू. अशोक जी तो मेरे भाई है, फैमिली मेंबर है और सोसाइटी एक परिवार है हमारा. एंड सोसाइटी इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन की वजह से आर्किटेक्ट कविता एंड आर्किटेक्ट सुरेश तालिब इनको तो आज इनके न्यू इश्यूज़ का अनवेयरिंग हो रहा है, लेकिन बहुत सारे जो इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर है उनका एक प्लेटफॉर्म सोसाइटी इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन की वजह से मिल रहा है. तो मैं अशोक जी का धन्यवाद करता हूँ. थैंक यू.
I've been some kind of a perfectionist always. So I kind of land up trying to achieve perfection in whatever I do. And a lot of hard work. And, it's been a learning experience. Every building teaches you something. The next building always improves from there. That's what I do.
So Yuji, what would you like to say about your association with Society Interiors and Design, and now that your project, Greenscape, is on the cover page?
Well, I would like to thank the Society Interiors first of all. A big thank you to them for featuring us in the magazine. And I hope we continue to produce projects that can be printed in the future also. And I wish Society Interiors the best of luck with whatever they're doing and showcasing works of architects who are really performing and doing good work all over the country. So good luck to all of them.
Thank you. Sorry, I'm passing. Was that you really like to be in?
Firstly, I have to congratulate Simran. You are amazing. You've made this evening more beautiful than what it already is. Because I truly believe in energy. In everything and every presence, every step of your life is an exchange of energy. The way Simran talked about everyone here, about this evening, about the cover, about the designer, about the special guest, it makes, and about me, it made me feel that I'm really special. So thank you for making me feel that. So, I would like to speak about society and my association with Andrea and now Ashok ji. They are so comfortable and they don't give you that sense of competitiveness and kind of aggravation that you see in today's culture. Everybody is rushing and grabbing. But if you see the energy of society and the people in charge of society, they are very much at ease and they are spreading cheer, they are spreading support, they are spreading joy. And thank you Ashok ji for organizing this and making me a part of this evening. I'm really honored to be here and I feel very appreciated by all of you. So thank you very much society, thank you so much. And a special congratulations, everybody, all of us, the only thing that we seek is acknowledgement. And to get a cover space, it must feel incredible, it must feel really special, and I congratulate you on this achievement. And may you achieve greater heights and greater success. So yeah, and I'm here as a start of this journey with you. So I really congratulate you and I say I'm very, very happy to be here. And to me, design is not, like I always speak about energy. We are in the middle of making our home and I see comfort and which is pleasing to the eyes. When you enter your space and whatever that space might be, whether it is your desk, whether it's your office space, whether it is your home space, you and the space should feel welcome and happy. Your nervous system should relax and you should feel that you can achieve and attain anything because you're in the right place. So that's my belief system, that's my thing on design and architecture. And thank you very much once again, all of you media friends and Ashok ji especially. And special mention to you sir, I really feel very happy to share this space with you. And once again special Simran, और पता है आपकी आवाज़ है ना बिल्कुल सुष्मिता सेन जैसी है really, और जैसे वो बोलते हैं वैसे ही आप भी बोलते हो, आपकी pronunciations, आपकी energy, everything is kind of like hers and she's one of my favorites.
Oh my God.
So yeah, that's it. It has been one of the magazines which I've always looked up to and it's very delightful to make it to the cover and the hard work that Society Interiors has done to keep revealing projects and letting architects get acknowledgement through the industry. It's a wonderful feeling. So I thank Society
Just
Interiors.
bring this on with you. Please write a post for us, Kavita ji.
Oh,
Right.
okay.
Yeah, I can go. Just write in you. We have the lovely team of STAPL to please join them here for this lovely photo. Our distinguished dignitaries, Ashok sir. Can we start the felicitation ceremony? हमारे honorable chief guest से request करना चाहूँगी to kindly welcome Khalid Sheikh Sahab. Maybe please request you sir, दो शब्द आपसे सुनना चाहेंगे.
Thank you for having me at this event and special thanks to the magazine and the entire team that does a great job. This was my first experience with the magazine and the team has been excellent with me. The type of coordination and help they give you with the entire experience is remarkable. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you sir. Thank you so much sir. Please कह सकते हैं.
First of all, I would like to thank Society Interiors and also congratulate STPL for completing their 25 years and we'd love to work more together.
बहुत शुक्रिया सर. Guardian Glasses Gujarat Guardian Limited. बहुत शुक्रिया सर. मैं Ruti जी और विजय जी आप दोनों का तहे दिल से स्वागत है from Satyam Aircon.
थैंक यू अशोक जी, थैंक यू सोसाइटी इंटीरियर. ये फर्स्ट टाइम है मेरा इस टाइप का इवेंट में, तो थैंक यू सोहित सर, कविता मैम, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर योर सिल्वर जुबली. बस थैंक यू.
Thank you sir. Thank you so much. We are in its strategist and we are also thankful to Anusha Srinivasan Iyer. May we welcome Siddhant Gill, Vedant Gill. Thank you sir. Thank you so much. It's so wonderful to always have you guys here with us. And we'd like to also thank Neeti Goyal. If there's anyone to receive the honor on behalf of Neeti Goyal, restorator and philanthropist. And ladies and gentlemen, हम दो शब्द इनसे सुनना चाहेंगे. कश्यप पाटवा और भव्य पाटवा जी from Arc Trends Door Solutions Private Limited. मैं आपसे गुजारिश करना चाहूँगी कि दो शब्द जरूर कहें प्लीज.
Yeah, thank you very much. This was a great event and we wish Shurupji and Kavitaji best of luck. They've done some amazing work. We are working with them as a friend, not as a business. But what work he has done in New Bombay, you should see and see the work what they've done, and some of the work has already been put up here. So best of luck to them, and best of luck to Society Interiors. We'll do much more events with you. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. Thank you so much for coming over here and encouraging month after month. In fact, मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि मिस्टर शेवाले साहब as well as मधु मेरे एक शब्द के पर दोनों ने आकर यहाँ पर हमारी शोभा बढ़ाई. They are really, their words are really motivating for us. बहुत काफी मोटिवेशन किया आपने. Thank you so much. Society Interiors ये जो श्रृंखला है कम से कम लगभग 35 साल से चला रहे हैं. And after the COVID, we started unveiling cover unveiling. ये प्रोसेस हमने चालू किया कम से कम is almost now more than 3.5 years. Okay, and we are getting a fantastic response. I also thank Suez and Kavita Architect for giving us such wonderful opportunity to showcase this is the best project ever I have seen. Okay, we've been carrying the projects from various architects, but this is the best project. So sir, thank you so much. Yes, I want to thank all the media friends and especially the invitees friends, for coming over here and giving us motivational. Thank you so much.
For doing the honors, and it's really a pleasure to have the feature of Kavita and Suez on the cover. As you enter the city of Navi Mumbai, you will see a lot of their landmark buildings across the new Navi Mumbai city. So it's really an honor to feature them on the cover. And wishing you loads of luck for your further journey.
To celebrate the rest of the evening as we have someone? Yeah, please, I'll take a photo. Come, darling, fast.